Hey, what's up, YouTube fam? The surgeon is back in the house. That's right, I did change my name from a doctor to a surgeon. I was getting a lot of comments saying that, hey man, you're not a doctor, you're a surgeon. So I appreciate your guys' comments, and I went ahead and changed my name legally on paper to surgeon. So thank you guys so much. And thanks again for the subscriptions, because we are almost at 1,000. Yay! You see confetti and champagne bottles, all that stuff popping. No, I'm just kidding. Maybe later when we hit like 10,000. But for now, the 1,000, it's great. It's a huge milestone. I couldn't be happy for you know, where we're going with this channel and all the positive support and feedback that we're getting. So you guys as a community is, you know, you guys bring a lot of insight and are helping me, you know, get out of my comfort zone and get out there and want to do more videos and share more. So thank you guys. Thank you so much for all the support and everything you guys are doing. I look forward to, you know, sharing my knowledge and making more videos so you guys can see what goes on in-house and all the process and all that stuff. So thank you. Before we begin on the S10 Plus, I just want to let you guys know that we only have time to do a full dissection and disassembly. But I do want to do something more detailed and do this one from scratch, you know. So we're going to be opening up the back glass, tearing everything out, cleaning it, getting this prepped up, ready so that way we can put everything back together after we do the full dissection and the other videos. You guys can see everything that we do, and I really hope that you guys like the stuff that we do today in this video. With that being said, let's dig right in. Let's step back in the shop and let's get the sucker dissected. Alright, so the phone is nice and toasty. We can go ahead and begin removing the back glass. let's go ahead and get these screws off, along with the SIM card. Oh, wrong one. There we go. SIM tray, I should say. So there's the SIM tray. Let's go ahead and remove the screws. So we got the back plate coming off nice and easy. There we go. We'll just set that right there. And we have this lower plate. There we go. Just screw it there. Alright, so first thing is we always want to kill the battery. We don't want any current going through while we remove anything. And I'm just observing this. This is the first time I've opened this up, and this looks really, really cool. Logic board is like the Note 9 logic board, all single one unit. A couple screws down here holding it together. One up here. Camera up here. But yeah, they're eliminating the flex cables. A lot of flex cables are gone. You just have a flex cable for the headset jack, the LED, and the battery, and that's it. Everything is running underneath with little pressure flexes that run off these little pogo pins on the logic board, which is cool. It makes everything more seamless, and I really do love how there is only so many screws. You know, the Apple phones are just like tons of screws. I'm like, really? Do you guys really need to put that many screws in here? Oh man, these suckers are tight. I don't want to strip that one out. But yeah, that one's tight. Let me see. I'm going to try a different driver. Get a fatter head. Yeah, that one there is being troublesome. I'll go to that one here in a little bit. They probably got a good amount of Loctite on these. It's the first time I've had a screw that is that hard. Let's try something else. Barely budging. I think the robots at Samsung cross-threaded this one because this sucker is tight. This is not right. Putting too much pressure on that. I'm gonna have to get this one out gently with pliers. You can see it's loose. It's loose, but the issue is, see, it's loose. You can see how it's ready to come out, but this screw is cross-threaded. When they put it in there, they cross-threaded it, and this sucker is tight. So I'm gonna hopefully get this out with some pliers. We're gonna have to go millimeter by millimeter. Let me see if I can put some more pressure on here. Get it out, but yeah. Yeah, that sucker's in there. It's no bueno. Well, that's something new. But it's just gonna give us a little challenge, which I really wasn't looking forward to, but we'll get it out. I really wanted to get this video out before I leave tomorrow, so I'm gonna work this little guy out of here. Yes, I hope I can. Probably gonna need a special bit. Yeah, I'm gonna have to use a special bit. I do not want to damage the logic board, so we're gonna have to pause this video and then I'll come back here. I'm gonna get a special bit and a driver to drill this sucker out. Alright, I'm back. I went ahead and brought some little tools. So what we're gonna use is one of these here. What this is a reverse drill bit. So instead of going clockwise, you go counterclockwise, and what this will do is it'll grab onto it'll actually start drilling into this counterclockwise, the way we need to go, come out, and we'll end up drilling it out. So we gotta use the beast right here, good old faithful. I wish I had a smaller drill, but this is all I had at the moment, so, but this will work. We'll go ahead and put this bad boy on. Well, we got it out. Hope you guys can see pretty clear there, but you can see where the screw just snapped right off. But that thread is in there. I mean, whoever put this together, if it was a manual or machine, they freaking cross-threaded this, making this impossible to get out. So only way getting out was drilling it out, which is what we did here. So worked perfect. Thank you, Ryobi. All right, let's go ahead and begin removing the battery. And I do not recommend you guys using a Ryobi drill for any of your customers' phones if you guys are going to attempt that. I wouldn't have used it either. but it's all I had at the moment, and I really got to get this video out. I want to use something a little more small, compact, something I can handle better. That way we're not risking puncturing the damn logic board. So yeah, do not try that at home or on a customer's phone. Alright, there we go. Middle framer is removed. LED is clean. Looks pretty cool. You can actually see through. Not sure if you guys can see, but we can see the fingerprint ID right here. If I had a light running under it, you'd probably be able to see it. There's the fingerprint sensor running on there, attached with this little flex cable. So we don't want to tamper with that because there's no fixing that. The only way to fix that is to replace the whole OLED. We'll set this on here, warm it up, clean it off, and that's gonna be pretty much it. So I hope you guys are liking our videos. If you guys have any suggestions, let us know. We're always willing to take suggestions and help you guys out with whatever you guys need. Yeah, as I mentioned earlier, I'm not going to cut this one. I don't have time to cut it and clean it. I really got to start packing and getting all my stuff together, and I'm going to have to edit this video, and yeah, I got a lot of stuff I got to take care of before I leave tomorrow. I am going to go live though once we hit the 1,000 subs, so I'll go live and say hi to all you guys. And if you guys know any cool places in China or Hong Kong, Shenzhen, let me know. I'll be more than happy to go explore. I've been out there many times, so I'm pretty familiar with the area, but it's always nice to find a new place to go visit and hang out, because some of the stuff just, you know, especially the food, I don't know, I really have not adapted to the Chinese food. Hong Kong's good. Shenzhen is just, it's hard, you know. There's so many different, the way the prepared food is. It's not like American Chinese food that you think. So maybe I'm just picky, or I don't know. But I don't know. Maybe I just gotta explore a little bit more and try a little more variety. Yeah, we always want to make sure we clean these off, guys. So people ask if you clean the frames. Yes, we clean everything. We don't reuse any glues. Only reason why is because it's, you know, it's just sloppy work, in my opinion, to use the same type of glue, or the same glue that was on it. You know, we like putting a new, fresh adhesive. You're basically just masking, covering up stuff when you use dirty, old glue. Then with the solution, of course, it dissolves majority of the tackiness, so I just prefer to replace it. I'm going to clean the battery bay in as well. Just take pride in your work. You know, we take pride in all our work, and we like everything to be clean and as flawless as possible. You know, we are human, things do happen, you know, but for the most part, you know, our repairs are really, really good. But there is sometimes a slight chance where, you know, something's just not perfect, and just gotta let the customers know and just be open about it, you know. But yeah, this is pretty much all nice and cleaned out. Boom, Betty, bye-bye. She's looking so good. So I'm going to set the logic board in here, just so we can test the screen, make sure the screen's good, which I am 99% sure it is good. We need the logic board. I don't know why they made this sucker so big. Now I'm having issues getting it back in there. Come on, Samsung. I'm trying to make this uni board. I like the two boards. There we go. Just gotta be patient. Good. Good, good. As my fellow Chinese master would say, Gura. Let's get the battery first. Just gotta always be careful. Always mind the flex, guys. That's our motto here. You always want to be careful with the flex cables because these are the most delicate. One little wrong touch, press on it, can cause it to lose its functionality. So we don't ever want that to happen. There we go. Let's boot up. And there we have it. S10 Plus. And like I said earlier, if you guys did fast forward to this part, the ending, I'm not going to get into the separating and laminating. I just don't have enough time right now. So I hate to have you guys wait a couple weeks, but I promise you guys I'll make it up to you guys, okay? We're going to have plenty of videos coming, and yeah, I appreciate you guys' patience. Thank you. And of course, thank you for subscribing. Thank you so much. So there we go. And the next time you see this, I'm actually going to take this board to get flash. We're going to actually load a ROM on there that allows us to do our function testing. We cannot get into the function testing on this one because Samsung has, or not Samsung, Verizon has actually locked out any kind of third party, the test device settings whenever we use this. So, see, there you are. Or actually, there I am, I should say. And there you guys are, right there. What's up? So there we go, guys. That's pretty much it. I'm trying to think what else I should say, but I have a lot on my mind right now. I got to start packing, and yeah, I'm just like, crap. I'm going to be on the plane for 20 hours. I'm just like, oh my gosh, that's not the most fun thing I really enjoy doing. But I got my silent mode to pass out, and I'm going to work on this video tomorrow. If I don't finish it, I'll finish it on the plane and get it uploaded while I'm in Hong Kong. So once again, guys, thank you so much. It means so much to me, and we'll see you guys all soon. Salud.